Hi and welcome to our final video of the year. We've got Dylan here with me. We thought we'd just have a bit of a chat about the year that's been. It's been a pretty interesting year, Dylan.
Certainly has, a lot of ups and downs. Obviously, peaks and troughs that is the game we play.
The market challenges have been there as always, So just having a look at the numbers. So as of Friday's close, we're down about 300 points for the year. So a little bit disappointing on that, but there's certainly been some great opportunities through the year. What have been your sort of standout trades?
A lot of my clients have just been buying the dip, really.
Yeah.
Anytime there's a pullback, which we had one in August, September, that was pretty fierce. A lot of clients loaded up there. Selling a lot of puts to buy stock has really helped, and then obviously covered calls on the other side of it. I've played Endeavour a fair bit for myself and for a few clients. Just basically, it's very range bound. So anytime it's at the bottom, pick it up. Anytime it's at the top, flick it out. So that's gone quite well as well.
Okay. Certainly we've seen maybe in some of those down times, the volatility in the option market's probably been great for selling puts to look at picking up stock and using that sort of boosted premium level to do that. So great result. For me, I think the best trade we had as a business was the call we made on in August of selling out of Telstra and switching into Fortescue and or BHP. Just looking at the numbers this morning, if you'd sold Telstra at the time and bought Fortescue, in comparing them with the dividends over the last 6 months or 5 months since we did the trade, you're up around 25% if you had made that switch. So we think that's an exceptionally good move. Hopefully we can make some calls like that again next year. It's a great
4 months is pretty numbers.
Fantastic result, and well done to all those clients that followed that recommendation. So as we come to a close, what are your thoughts on 2023?
I mean, I'm of the mind that everything that could go wrong has been priced in. Basically, every recession we've had previously has kind of just hit us at the time. Whereas now there's so much negativity in the media and through all these CEOs and bankers coming out and saying, oh, it's going to be the worst recession ever, yada, yada, yada. I don't think it's going to be as bad as what they're pricing in and what they're saying. Because obviously, if they beat, then they look a lot better on paper.
Yes, very true.
I think it's more of a case of under promise, over deliver. So I think we'll try to the upside.
Okay, it's a great call. What about on rates? Do you sort of see a couple of rate rises still to come?
I'd say we'll go once again early next year, and I think it's the same kind of case with the RBA. I think they're trying to put a bit of fear in there to stop people spending. Obviously, if people don't spend, inflation comes back and we're back to normal. So I think they're trying to scare people into this doomsday narrative. Which will then obviously...
It's almost having the same effect of putting rates up, just putting a bit of fear out of the market. Okay, and I suppose a challenging question for you, market up or down next year?
I reckon we're up. I'll go with the yearly average of 7%. We're up 7%.
That's a great call. Yeah, look, I'm probably a little bit bullish, so I sort of feel we will see an up market. I think we'll have some challenges with a lot of bank mortgages coming off the fixed rates in the early part of mid to early next year. That could really be a bit of a test for the property market, and I think the RBA would be very aware of that, so that'll be interesting. But our resource stocks are still producing phenomenal profits. We've got great employment across the country. Unemployment is very, very low. So I think there's a lot of positives out there, but I do agree, we've got a lot of negatives, but we know them, and we've sort of dealt with them, and almost we'll sort of sail through them if they're not any worse than the fear that's already there. So anyway, good luck for 2023, all those investing, and thanks for supporting us this year. Bye for now.